back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Please go subscribe for me now, like and comment. Yes guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. Alright, welcome to Patois Chronicles. Yes guys, today I'm showcasing Malta. This is not a plate for our promotion or anything like that. Alright, this is an energy drink. It is non-alcoholic, and see the little notes I'm gonna there. This is my favorite flavor. Check out the rest. So come to Jamaica, you have to try this. Now going night, blabber mouth.
You are blabber mouth, you know? Blabber mouth. So guys, you want to know what I mean there? The translation, watch this entire video now. Boom.
So there's something new here. I'm bringing a pot to me never normally, break it up, but not gonna phrase for today, right? The all of the moon, the brighter it shine. Yes, here in Jamaica, you'll often hear this saying, the older the moon, the brighter it shine. The older the moon, the brighter it shine. Or you can say brighter. Take off the T-E-R and drop in A. All of that, just that R-A-H, brighter. So the older the moon, the brighter it shine. So guys, yeah, you might think so. What is this? A Jamaican sentence. You want to know what the meaning of it is? We soon go figure it out. But guys, remember, here in Jamaica, pronunciation is different. And of course, see it here in English language, the older the person, the wise he or she is. So the older the person are, the wiser. Alright, wisdom. Next panelist. Look pa my bonononos. Look pa my bonononos. Oh my god, look pa my bonononos. Yes, guys, oftentimes here in Jamaica, this is another word that we will normally use. So a man like a woman or something, and bonononos. Look pa my bonononos. I will play with the cheek to babies and ting. Oh my god! Wow! So here is the meaning for it now in English or translation. Special someone, expressing your feelings. So sentence, I love her or I love him. So you're just expressing your feelings, alright? So the next time I come to Jamaica and somebody say, look for my bonononos. Yes, they're expressing themselves, feelings, their love. Yes, they're special. Or you can also refer it to a thing, such as an animal, my bonononos, or you say in English language, I love her. Alright, so you come here, and guys, I hope you're writing it down. So the next time I'm gonna come to Jamaica, the next time you arrive here in Jamaica, you pretty much have an idea and understand us as we speak. Alright. Next panelist, Irie. This is often, everybody's supposed to know what Irie means. I know it says here in Jamaica it is nestled from Irie. So you can just use the word as it is, Irie. Me Irie man or Irie man or Irie. You don't really have to put anything else to it. It stands on its own. Alright, so Irie, wagwan. How are you? Irie, me Irie. So let us see what's in now in English. Of course, good. I'm okay. Everything is okay. That's what I mean. Everything is okay. I am okay. So the next time you should come to Jamaica and you hear the word Irie, you know that simply means everything okay. Or my sister in Wagwan, how everything? Irie, Irie. Or me Irie. Yes, and we have another way to put it, make good. But we're looking at Irie today, so say Irie.
Let me hear you say Irie. Chat down below and say Irie. And the word for today is Irie.
Alright, next body list. Dead with laugh. Sentence. Me a dead with laugh. Dead with laugh. Here in Jamaica, we oftentimes say this very, very much. me a dead with laugh, or me a dead or dead in the jokes. So me say dead in. We are talk about girl a dead in. Me say me king over. That's another one. So yeah.
Rub. Yeah, boy, yeah, me.
So dead with laugh, me a dead with laugh, dead with laugh, or dead in, or me a dead and me a king over. But today dead with laugh. In here, am I dying? Is the person really dying? No, don't call 911. Stop, please.
Stop, please. Don't bother call 911, alright? Don't bother call the police, because the person is literally dead.
What simple mean is just that, and here in English language, extreme laughter. Alright? Marco, I'm dying with laughter. So you might say it like that, or you might say I'm dying with laughter. So here in Jamaica, we will say that too, but very pretty much, most are pretty much here in Jamaica, me are dead with laugh, or you can even shorten it and DLL, dead with laughter. Alright? Next panelist, blabbermouth. When you chat too much here in Jamaica, you are blabbermouth. You know, say you are blabbermouth. Can't tell you nothing because you are blabbermouth. Say it with me. Blabbermouth. Not mouth. Don't put on any H, alright? Nobody do that. So blabbermouth. Blabber. You are blabbermouth. Never say you. But just read them up there. You are blabbermouth. Or you can say you are blabbermouth, you know. And remember, here in Jamaica, we have expression. So now you're in English language now, talks too much. Jim, you know you talk too much. You see me nearly put you in Patois night. Jim, you talk too much, you know, or Jim, you talk too much. Or you can just simply say you talk too much to the person. That's basically it. But here in Jamaica, you have blabbermouth. So yes guys, we come to the end of another Patois video. Thank you very much for watching. See you at 6 a.m. Eastern time, and it's not done yet. Tune in, of course, on Sunday for Testimony Hour. And of course, there's something else new. Yes, first comment, shout out. Check my members, guys. Go and sub to my daughter's channel as well. Thank you very much for the support. I appreciate you guys so much. I love you guys. And for today, we're going to showcase, of course, the first person. You want to get a shout out? Comment. Be the first one to comment down there. And the first person last video was Beauty Citrine. Thank you very much, Beauty Citrine, for your support and for your love. Feel better soon. And I know you have so many channels, and guys, just check out, you want go and visit all of them. Check out all of them. Look in our description, so what should I put in there now? Alright, thank you very much. Keep safe, and guys, just make sure to love somebody. Alright, bye.